In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files to Google Drive. So what you need to do on your computer is open up a web browser. So I've just opened up Google Chrome here, and we now need to get to Google Drive. If you're already logged into your Google account, if you go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner, you can then click on Drive and it will open up Google Drive. Alternatively, you can go ahead and search for it and find it that way. So now we're in Google Drive. If you've used it before, you may get some suggested files or folders. If you haven't, this will be blank. What we can do is we can go to My Drive on the left here, and here you see all of your files and folders on your Google Drive. Think of this like a collection of all of your files and folders. You can then go ahead and start to upload files to Google Drive. Now, I would recommend that you create folders and keep everything organized. So if you go to New in the top left-hand corner, you can click New Folder. And I'm just going to call these files example files, but you can give this folder a name relevant to your files. Once you create this folder, you can double click in it. And now we can add all of our files here. There are two ways that we can do this. We can click New in the top right. You can then click File Upload, and that will open up your File Explorer, where you can go ahead and select any files. You can also open up File Explorer in a new window here, and you can go ahead and find and navigate to your files, highlight them, and just simply drag them onto Google Drive. So I'll just upload these two files as well. You can see the status of your files in the bottom right hand corner, so you can make sure that they're all fully uploaded. Once they are uploaded, you can just go ahead and interact with these files however you would want to normally. You can go ahead and click through any existing folders and preview any files or download any files that are on here. If you wanted to share these files in the future, you can just go ahead and right click on the folder name. You can then click Share, go to Share again. Then if you change general access from restricted to anyone with the link, you can then click Copy Link, and here you will get a link copied to your clipboard, which you can go ahead and paste with other people. They'll then be able to access these files and download them. Your files will now be safe. If you come back to Google Drive at any point, you can go to My Drive, and here you'll be able to see your uploaded files in the folder that you chose. You can also go to Recent and interact with any files that you recently uploaded.